Hello guys, Wash the Lad 2014 here. Right, this is the second appliance in my dad's partner's daughter's house in a place called Hampstead in Devon. And yeah, I do forget to mention the first video. I do apologise for not uploading for a while. It's just I've not been well, but fortunately I am better. So yeah, model number is it's a bit very difficult to open. Oh, it's probably because of this broken door lock. Probably because of that broken door lock there. Anyway, model number is TD265A/A. Yeah, I seem to be getting really lucky with finding these models because, like, this is the second one that I found within the space of like a month. Because I've spotted one of these in British Heart Foundation, and now I've found one of these. Except this one is, I think, might be an even older one, so maybe an even rarer one. Yeah, there is just a tiny bit of rust down there, but it's not noticeable. Nice, there's a Zanussi TE vent hose included out there. Oh, this is like the vent hose thing there. Yeah, and yeah, these are like just a list of programs there. Now, I think I remember someone telling me on the British Heart Foundation video that this is like for a lint, that's like a lint filter or something. I don't know. Yeah, there's your on and off button and a cool tumble option. And yeah, I'm gonna just demonstrate this. Yeah, but unfortunately, like, I did film this video before, and then I did like a demonstration video. But when I like turned it on, I turned it onto a program, but it didn't turn on. And yeah, I can show you that the plugs are turned on, and I'm sure that plug is definitely a Zanussi plug. Yeah, one of them is. Yeah. And yeah, I am glad that I found another one of these amazing vintage tumble dryers, but sadly I think it may not work anymore, which is a real shame, but it'll find a better place. Yeah, here's I like that. So it's just like one line in the middle. Let's probably look at the back there. Probably look. Well, I'm glad they have like one good appliance, unlike this piece of shit that does a good kick up the backside. And yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then leave a like. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you can watch all my latest content and always be notified about it. And right. Oh, I did forget to mention, there is a Speed Queen laundrette. That I drove past yesterday, like when we came here. So I'll try and do a video of that if I can. But yeah, I will see you guys then. Bye.